Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Hello, Team Bella, and welcome back to the channel. It's me, your boo, your girl, Miranda, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with a plan with me in my vertical happy planner for the week of March 8th through the 14th. So we're going to jump right into this, but I want to shout out a few people. Definitely my A1s from day one. Hey, y'all. Thank you so much for the support. To anyone that is new, welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoyed here. Some of the things that you can expect is not only decorating and planning out our lives, but also actually me using my planner in action. That's really one of the most, that is actually one of the things I look forward to the most when I plan, especially for this particular layout, because this is not only a plan with me, it's also laying down our plans. So sticker books that I'm using this week are colorful boxes, and this is the one with the monthly boxes, and then the OG original colorful boxes. I'm also using handwritten plans and the new Jungle Vibes sticker book. All right, so let us get it in and get it on, whatever you want to call it. I have the stickers already pulled, and typically I do speed this portion up, but I just wanted to call out a few things. Update: my trip was definitely a success that I took this past week to Florida, helping my sister. It was good. I really needed to get out of the house and kind of regroup, so it was good for me. I made it through, staying safe, of course. So yes, my inspiration this week, the sticker is this sticker, which I use for my sidebar sticker. I typically list things to buy here. All right, so oh my goodness, it's been a good week. I got back on Monday, so I had to work, and I didn't take any time off because I just started a job, and I have zero PTO, zero. All right, so I like this little cheetah puma. I don't know what he is, but I really wanted to make everything match with the colors on this this sticker. So it's kind of like crazy, sexy, cool, because you know it's animalistic, and then you know, bringing in some of my favorite colors. I love mint. Never thought to pair it with like the green and the pink. I mean the mint with the black and pink. Okay, so I'm really just gonna bounce back and forth and lay down the stickers that I know for sure where I want them to go. So how was your week? Anything interesting happen? So this sticker says, "Prove them wrong, babe." And for those of you who are not aware, this is my catch-all planner that I use for everything. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. I wanted to bring this other little, I don't know if this is, yeah, I guess it is a puma, a cheetah. I don't know what he is, but he's an animal, okay? So we're gonna put him kind of, oh no, I didn't want him to lay down. Okay, let's bring him up. Let's kind of put him right here, okay? And then I thought it would be really cute to bring in some of these pops with the leaves, because we have leaves in that sticker. So we're gonna put this kind of right above him. Kind of like a speech bubble, but not. Okay. I'm loving it. I think it's so cute. Okay, so what I will do for Monday is I'll go ahead and I will add, and I tore my my checkbox, so hopefully it'll still stick with no problem. So we're gonna put this checklist here so we can note things. So tell me, guys, did you pick up anything from the Sprint Happy Planner spring release? Did you pick anything up? I did pick up this sticker book, but of course I got it from my local Michael's. Nope, I didn't. I ordered it online from Michael's, and I used a 20% coupon, and it was all to the good. Okay, So I want to put this box probably down here. And then I'm going to layer it. There's a pink circle sticker I have over here. And did I put that sticker back up? Where did it go? Oh my God. I might have put the sticker back up. I'm gonna have to look for it. But I really feel like on this page, I want to bring in more pops of pink. So definitely this plan on it will be cute there. Okay, so this is the part where I typically speed things up, just because I really want to focus on putting down my plans and not so much of, you know, putting the stickers down. So my strategy here is to first lay any decorative stickers, so more of those stickers that came with Jungle Vibes, and then layering colorful boxes throughout the spread, and any little decorative elements that I found in Jungle Vibes. So I noticed that I had a lot of green or that mint color on the right side of the spread, so I wanted to try to make sure that I evened that out. So here it's just a constant putting boxes down and layering at this point. For any of the stickers I pulled up from handwritten boxes, I did have to use my whiteout just to white out whatever writing was there, because of course it didn't apply to the spread or anything that I had to do for those particular days. It's so interesting when I go back to do these voiceovers, because right there on the 14th where I put that sticker above the puma, or it's not a cheetah, I realize it's not a cheetah, but that puma or that Black Panther, that sticker is a little bit crooked, but looking at this makes me definitely go back and change it. Here I'm just adding a few bullet points just to give me additional spaces to write. And then I'm going to come through with this light pink and gold Simply Gilded washi. And I think that was just the touch that it needed to finish everything off. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about the extra pop of washi. I'm feeling it. I'll put this up here. I think I want to put one more little piece right here. Okay, so I'm feeling that. Perfect. So yeah, let's go ahead and get our plans down. I'm loving it. Okay guys, plans are coming. Plans are coming. We got plans a coming. And what we are going to do is, I have several foiled gold stickers, and I think they'll just be nice highlights. I'm going to do more writing than stickering this week. But I'm going to use this gold this week sticker, and I'm going to put this here. This is where I normally track, the things that I need to buy. Okay. And then on right here, have a midweek meeting at 7:30. And if you're wondering about this lovely pen, this is a Uniball Clenna pen in 0.7. Yes, I believe it is 0.7. Okay, so I'm just going to go through, and anything that requires a sticker, or that I'm going to use a sticker for, a script sticker, I'm going to go ahead and put it there. So one of the things is, I have a working session for the afternoon on Thursday. So I'm going to put this for lunch date. So I'm going to meet JB for working session. So I'm rolling out an initiative at work, and I definitely need senior leadership to assist me with, you know, making sure that it happens the way that I'm kind of envisioning, and it's just really a great partnership. Okay, on Friday, I'm grabbing this payday sticker from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. So that payday sticker will go there. On Monday here, I'm going to use this cardio sticker. Again, this one is from Planning City, and I PR for her. So Miranda 15 is my PR code. So I'm going to use that cardio. I really love that script. And then I thought I took out the little heel, but I might have not taken it out. And so I'm just going to write here that I meet Kai at the park at 7. Yep, your girl's going to get to moving. Okay. So on Saturday, we have a major family event. And I'm just gonna put a little heart there. And I saw these very cute little bows. And I think I want to use one of the bows to put there, just to signify what we have going on Friday. On Sunday at 10:30, I'm gonna have brunch with some of my Planner Babe girls. Yes, I'm excited about that. Let's do it. Put that little heart there. Cute. Okay. Meeting here. Here I need to text my friend Cindy for deets. And I also like to plan out my Saturday. I like to plan next week on Saturday, so I'll put this plan next week there, but I want to put it there straighter than that. Okay. Very good. I know here I have to meal plan. Okay, we definitely have to order grocery. Oh yes, my guest arrive. So late Thursday evening, but Thursday afternoon, my cleaning lady will be here. So before my guest arrive, just to do floors and just tidy up a little bit before. Okay. All right. So we also on Friday. I don't know why I wrote order grocery, because I do have a order grocery sticker. Ooh, I tore that off, kind of funny. All right. So I'm gonna put that there for the groceries. Okay. I'm actually going to go to Ulta on Friday afternoon to pick out some new makeup. Okay. We also have grocery delivery. We have our budget review. I mean, my writing is not the cutest. I know. This is trash day. I'm changing over my kitchen. So my kitchen has always been like red and white polka dots, turquoises, like teals, that kind of vibe. But I'm going to start changing over the kitchen to new decor. Changing decor in kitchen. Okay. I need to call Duke Energy. I need to look at my energy bill and confirm when it is due. And also Charmac. And final Amazon order before my guests get here. And then I'm going to group FaceTime with my girls. The sissies. All right. On Tuesday, 6 o'clock, 6:30, I have SS tax appointment. Okay, and here I need to confirm tax prep payoff. All right, we got that going on. Got that. I know we are going to, let's see here. So mortgage. Used to be paid here. Target on here. Okay. And let's see, I think that is my long-term plans here. I have a 6:30 tax appointment here. Okay, y'all, I think that this is my week, and for me working full-time, this is definitely this is definitely a lot for me, especially because, you know, count 9 hours out of the day that I will be working full time and, you know, receiving my guests and so on and so forth. So, yep, I am happy with the way this turned out. Please let me know below in the comments if you have any questions about my plans. Other than that, I hope you have a great, amazing, and productive week. I'll see you on the next video. Ciao, Bella.
Shining like a diamond. I see people watching.